If you want to reset your Bose Soundlink Mini, this is the first generation one, then you can hold down the mute button for 10 seconds. This one has a fault, so even after resetting it, it's still going to have a fault. But you might fix your one because resetting it can often fix faults. So we're going to hold down this mute button here for 10 seconds and you will see that all the lights will then go out. Then when you let go and they come back on, it's been reset. So you ready? Holding it down now. I'm going to count 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 9 and 10. There you go. Can you see the lights are flashing now? So that means it's been reset. I can now let go and it's going to bring itself back on and it's been reset. This one has a fault, but hopefully it might fix the error on your one. This one has a battery issue here. Thanks for watching.